Welcome to the Mentzer Machine Shop, named for Wayne Mentzer, long-time millwright at the Thomas Kay Woolen Mill. In this shop, Wayne had all of the tools necessary to help make fixes and repairs around the mill. All of the machines in this shop were belt-driven, deriving their power from water and a turbine that stands in a wheelhouse just a few feet away from this building. Not all the tools needed power all the time, so there was an ingenious system rigged up to help turn on and off the drive shaft in this building. Our current millwright, David Birch, tells us more.
There's the lever.
Alright, so this is the lever.
There's the chain.
Attaches to a chain.
There's the cable from the end of the chain out here. Goes over to the powerhouse. It's all hooked up.
And there's an idler in the power.
There's an idler that ran that shaft that's sticking out. Now, I haven't looked for it in a long time, but let's see, there's the shaft. That's the pump. Where's the rope? Okay, where is everything here? There it is.
Woo.
Okay, it comes in, turns, goes over here, comes down. There's the idler right there. That's its idler.
So
when this belt tightened, this little shaft here turned, and it ran the fire pumps and stuff, but it extends on out the building, and it ran the thing.
The lever is in one position. This belt is basically loose, so it does not turn.
Right.
But when you
when
engage
it's in
the
other
leather,
position, it would be down,
push and create
on the
tension,
belt, and that would tighten it up. And it ran off the little turbine too.
Huh.
I think. Isn't that on the little turbine? Yeah, that's on the little turbine.
That's on the little turbine.
I never realized that. So you'd have to have the little one running, the 7.5 horse.
Oh, this is just. The engineering on this one is pretty intense.
Yeah, there's a lot of...
This is the pulley here that's covered by this.
The leather belt.
The leather belt's covered by this
pulley
one.
Down at the other
and that's
end.
the drive shaft then for the...
and we haven't ever replaced some of the bearings, so it won't run.
Right.
But there's supposed to be a bearing there, and I think the parts are all piled into there. When they put the roof on, we had to take it all apart.
Sure.
And it never quite all got put
together.
They did put new siding on that.
Yeah.
Because it was falling apart. You can kind of tell.
Oh,
but we never got the bearings back. And that was rusted. Although it could probably be shinied up
pretty easily. So this is the handle.
Of course, here's the end of the shaft.
It comes
so
out.
So you have several pulleys on here. Here's.
So did you catch all that? From the handle inside the machine shop, a chain is manipulated, which runs across to the powerhouse. A rope inside the powerhouse engages or disengages an idler pulley that looks a little bit like the one that runs today in the second floor of the mill building. Once engaged, the belt would run this small drive shaft, which in turn would run this pulley, attached to a drive shaft on the picker house roof, which then extends the entire length of the machine shop.